Nagre-record na yan, Hershey ah.
Re-record na.
Nagre-record na yan.
Yeah. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to the Okay. It's a GG elbow. There he goes. Nice shot from GGL. Okay, lost ball from GGL. There you go. Oh, no. Correction. First basket for Mark Moralida. Patirahin nyo si Ludwig. Anak ng tipak. Ludwig, patirahin mo. Traveling violation. Patirahin mo si Ludwig. Patirahin mo. Sit up nyo.
Sa kanya, tapay na.
Oo. Ang tawag dito, pagodin nyo siya. Bigay! Bang! Boom! Tama. Ludwig! Diretso! Foul from Alvin Torres. First foul.
Magana yan, Mike. Magana
Ah, ganun ba?
Meron yan.
Hello. There we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to our soca. This is a new DJ. Yeah, my name is Ludwig Pa Jr., the impersonator. Okay, good basket. Yeah, good basket for Los Marinas. Yes. Okay, recovered by Ryan Kayabyab. Looking for his teammate. Alvin out with the shot. No good. Alvin out. Sumariñas, get the ball. Saison penetrating. There you go. No shoot. Good rebound by Mark Moranita. Looking for and a foul. Oh, trouble. I'm sorry. Thank you. It's trouble. Traveling violation. There it goes. Rebound. By Tyson. Give it to Freyna. Freyna looking his teammate. Good assist. There you go. Good pick, but no good. No shoot. And violation. Okay, it's a GGL ball. Okay, dribbling by Victor of GGL. Looking his teammate. With a pass through, but intercept by Mark Morida. There you go. Saison. Saison looking his teammate. There you go. There you go. Ludwig man. Open shot. There you go. Give me the round of applause. First shot by Ludwig. Pwede ka lang lumabas. There you go. Victor. Looking for drive. And make it. Good for Victor. Alright, give it to Freyna. Freyna sitting up. Looking for his teammate. There you go. Oh look. There you go. Give it to Worthy Mark. There's Mika. Easy 2 for Worthyful Mark Uranida. There you go, Alvin. You make a shot. 3. Bang! It's a 3-point shot for Alvin Torres from GPL. Right now looking for the answer. It's trying to keep the shot. No good. Alright. It's a GGL ball. Okay, our score is 8-7. Favor of Betterman. Victor. Yes, he made it. Now it's 9-8. Better favor of GPL Chips favor. Ludwig is looking his teammate. Sitting up the half court play. There you go. Work Mark Morita, airball. There you go, Alvin. Infinity to 3. Okay, airball. I'm sorry, Alvin. Lost power. He lost his power now. Didn't make it. The second shot of 3. There you go. June Saison. Looking for his teammate. Give it to Freyna. Mark. Freyna. There you go. Ryan. Alvin. Buck.
Adams.
Si Adam. There we go. Stretch from Freyna for the first time. Alright. Albert. Bring down the ball. Looking his teammate. There you go. Give to Ryan. Ryan looking for their shooter, Alvin. There you go. Penetrate. He lost the ball. Alright. Yeah. Hindi na makayuko si Kuyang Loop. Okay. Adam, receive the ball. looking for his teammate, penetrate. There you go. Foul, draw foul from Mark Moralida. I believe, number 11. Alright. Okay, toe shot. Yeah, missed the first one. Second one. Still missed. Okay. Rebound by Mark Morlita. And Saison. Saison. Okay, lost the ball. Alright, Adam, brother Adam, bringing down the ball, looking for his teammate, give it to Victor. And, oh wow, good defense by Mark Morlita. Attempt three-point shot. And he pulled the trigger. There you go. Alvin, 3 points. 12-11, skins favor again. Favor of DGL. Saison. Looking his teammate. There you go. Give it to Luz Marinas. Mark Moralida. Ludwig. Bang! There you go. That's the second shot for Ludwig. Your original better man player, my brother. Alvin bring down the ball. Scanning his teammates, give to Adam. Adam, he make it the three. No good. And rebound by Mark Moralida. Give it to Los Amarillas. Brother Brain up. And a little bit of pocket behind. And give it to Ryan Tayabyab, the bulldozer man. There you go. Adam, Victor. Adam, no good. There you go. And give it to Ludwig. Okay, scanning. Give it to Luz Marinas. And there you go. Albert. Okay, baseball pass. Intercept by. There you go! That's what I'm talking about. The third score. Ludwig. 3-on-3. Good hands on brother Ludwig. There you go. Alvin, he pulls the trigger. There you go. No good. Again, get it again. Recover his miss. And there you go. Foul, bro. Foul from that one. Los Marinas. All right. Okay. 2 free throw. That's a good game between DGL and Betterman. The score now is 15-12. Advantage by Betterman. Okay, missed the first shot. Second shot. There you go. Made it. Alright, here he comes. Tyson. Looking his teammates. There you go. Give it to Prena. Scanning. Give it to Mark Moralida. It is scanning. He pulls the trigger. Bang! Rebound from Worshipful Father Mark Moralida. There you go. Alvin. Okay. He tried to answer back. No, it's an air ball. Alright, ball. Okay. Saison. There you go. They're trying to. Ludwig again. There you go. There's the fourth one. Four for 4. Adam. Okay, penetrating. Looking for another to answer back. Give it to Alvin. Open shot. Make it. Easy 2 for Alvin. Okay, intercept by Victor. Victor going down. And give it to Alvin. There you go. Brings it. Okay, Los Marinas, give it to Mark. Alright. Alright. And okay, by himself. Okay, AC2 for Alvin. There you go. Mark Moralita. Bringing down the ball. Okay, he's calling his teammate. Setting up for half court. And pulls the trigger. No good. Alright. Recovered by Adam. Okay, Adam bringing the ball. There you go. Looking for giving to Victor. Victor makes it. Didn't make it. And there's a follow up. No good still. And Alvin finally. Oh, that's Alvin, not Victor. There you go. Pulls the trigger. No good. All right. Timeout, GGL. That's a good game, brothers. Between GGL and Betterman.
Ludwig, Fairplay.
Yeah, Ludwig, he did a good job. He made, yeah, 5-4, I think. 4-4. 4-4. Look at that.
Perfect percentage.
Yeah, almost 100% shooting percentage of field goal. All right, here it comes. Okay, from the Betterman to Saison, Bernard Ambagan, Ludwig Mann, Reina, and who's the one? Luz Marinas. On the GGL side, Alvin, Albert, Ryan, Adam, and Victor. There we go. Adam pulls the trigger, says no good. Saison looking for a Bernard for the first shot. No good. Okay. Good. There you go. All right, easy to. It's easy for Alvin and James People now. There you go. Bernard make a shot, no good, and recovered by Luz Marinas. Luz Marinas is one of the biggest airport or. Okay, here comes Victor. Victor bringing down the ball, looking for the cut, give it to Adam. Adam, give it to Alvin. Alvin to Ryan. Ryan looking, bring back to Adam. Adam pulls the triggers, make it! 3 points for Adam. There we go. There we go. Okay, Bernard, and give it to Saison. Saison AC2. All right, Adam. Adam bringing down the ball. All right. Okay, Alvin, and give it to Victor. Victor, make it! Oh, now they lead by 4 points. 2 points, I should say. 2 points. There you go. Bernard, waiting for his teammate. And there you go, giving a good pass. Bernard, and give it to Luz Marinas. And there you go, pulls the trigger, and bang. No, recovered by a rebound by Ryan Kayabyab. And give it to Adam. Adam looking for 3. No good. And Ryan, oh, go foul from Ariel Freda. All right. That's a 2.
Maganda or siya.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay, first shot for Ryan. No good. Take time, brother. Ryan, take time. All right. The floor is yours. There you go. Okay, you make it the second shot. And now, they are now advantage. You get advantage by 3 points. Tama? There you go. Okay, that is the end of the first half. So both teams, they're doing the good job. Oh, mga kapatid, magpa-picture muna tayo. There you go, resume of the second half. Okay, from Betterman, we have Ariel, Saison, Ludwig, Rose Marinas, and Mark Moralidas. While on the GDL side, we have Victor, Albert, we have Adam. There you go! A good three for Rose Marinas. We have Ryan, we have Alvin. There you go. Adam looking for teammate. Oh, too hard. Too strong. Too strong. Okay. Lou, Tyson's bringing down the ball. Looking for his teammate. There you go. Give it to Lou Samarinas. Pick. And he make it shot. There you go. Easy for Lou Samarinas. Okay. Ryan. Ryan bringing down the ball. Looking for his teammate. There you go. Strike. Give it to Alvin. Alvin. There you go. Ludwig. There you go. Give it to Aryo. Aryo. Okay. Almost intercepted by Adam. Okay. It's a better mud ball. There you go. Alright. Lucio Marinas. Ludwig. Okay. Okay, give foul from Albert. Alright, June Saison is on the line. Yeah, 2 shot. There we go, make the first shot. My body language pa ha. Alright, the second shot. There you go. There we go, here's the 2. Alright. There it comes. Brother Albert bringing down the ball, looking his teammate. Alright, give it to Ryan. Pass it to Alvin. Alvin, big shot. There we go. No good. He recovered. And Mark, pretty good rebound. Give it to Luz Moringas, bringing down the ball. Give it to Saison. John Saison looking for a possible cut. And Ludwig He pulls the triggers, and this time didn't make it. Okay, Victor, yes, is making his zigzag dribble. Give it to Adam. Adam pulls the trigger. Boom. No good. Recovered by Adam again, and give it to Alvin. There you go. Recovered by Lou. Give it to Saison. Saison bring down. And there. Oh, between the big man. It's a good match between Albert and Lou. So Marinas. Okay, Albert. There you go. Ryan, on striker is no good. Rebound by Mark Merlida. Okay, I'll give you a foul. By Ryan. Alright. Good size on. Give it to Lou. Back to Lou. Give it to Worshipful Mark Merlida. Okay, give it to Saison. There you go. He pulls the trigger and up. And recovered by Luz Marinas. And now advantage by 8 points. Favor of Betterman. Okay.
But what's the timeout? Oh, 36.
36 timeout for GGL. I am missed with the GGL. They have only fighting 5. They don't have any spare. Okay, there you go. Piso-piso lang. Okay, inbound by Adam. Alright, give it to Victor. Victor. Look, he pulls the trigger. There we go! 3 points for Victor. Yes. Okay. Now Arya Frena looking for the cutter. Ludwig. Open. There you go! 4-2. Ludwig. Talagang yung kamay mo, golden hands today. There you go, Alvin, take a shot. Okay, Lou. Alright, air ball, okay. Saison. Okay, Saison bring down the ball, looking for the cutter. Okay, give it to Ludwig again. Good. Alright. Those balls, rep. It's a Betterman, favor of Betterman. Okay, Mark Moralida looking for the cutter. Bernard, open! No good. There we go. Rebound by Victor. There you go. Alvin asking the ball. Get it. There you go. Trying to penetrate. There you go. 2 points for Alvin. Okay, 37-32. Alright, 5 points in favor of Betterman. Mark Moralida trying to do the foul from Albert. Alright, two free throw for Worshipful Mark Moralida. Napindot mo ba?
Oo,
Okay. Sayang naman yung pagka-DJ ko rito, brother Ludwig. Alright, let's make for shot make it. Alright, second shot. There you go. There you go. Yan ang sinasabi ko, Worshipful brother Mark. No need. There you go. Alvin penetrating. Okay, he loses the ball, but he recovered. Give it to Adam. Adam pulls the trigger. No good. Rebound by Jun Saison. Bringing down the ball. looking for his teammate. There we go. And now pulls the triggers for three. No good. And here he comes. Baseball baseball pass. Okay, Adam recovered. Because he shot. Oh, easy. Easy rebound from Ludwig Van. Good backs out from Ludwig. Okay, Saison. Looking for teammates. Ariel pulls the trigger. No good. Okay, Bernard. They're trying to roll the ball. But Mark Morita penetrate, but no good. Through foul. Oh, trouble. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, trouble without visa. So you know, you've been charged. There you go. And it's to also double pumping. It's called trouble also. From Ryan. Okay, Saison. Give it to Ariel, Prena, bringing down the ball easily. Ludwig. There you go! There you go, brothers, Ludwig. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Yan ang nagtara. MVP. MVP. Alright, Adam. Pulls the trigger. Banks, no good. Rebound by Victor. And give it. Okay, another shot. But didn't make it. There you go. But recovered by. There you go. Rebound by Mark Morenita. And foul from Victor. Okay. There you go, Bernard. Give it to Saison. Saison bringing down the ball. There you go. Give it to Bernard. Bernard pulls the trigger. There you go, boy! For the first time, that is what he said last night. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna play with the score, and he made it. Congratulations, brother Bernard. All right. All right. Rebound by Ryan. Ryan. He gave it to Adam. Adam pass to Victor. Victor easily. Yeah, easily 2 points for Victor. Saison. They're trying. Ariel Prenas giving a sign. Team ball. Just hold the ball. Use your time. Okay. There you go. Ariel looking for the cutter. And he pulls the triggers. Air ball. All right. Okay. Substitution rep for Bernard. Luz Fabregas come in. Okay, now 10 points advantage by Better Man. 34-44. I'll give it to Adam. Adam is looking for the cutter. He's positioning himself into Alvin. Alvin to Victor's good passing, but didn't make it. All right. Recovered by Rufino. Saison. There you go. There. Just like.
Mahal yung bayad dito.
I'm sorry, Rufino Saison. When I called your name, Rufino didn't make it. He screwed up. I'm sorry for that, John. Now, John Saison. Look at his teammate. All right. Okay. All right, looking for Ludwig. Give it to Luz Marinas. Luz is looking for cutter. Okay, give it to Ludwig. Ludwig to Ariel. Ariel pulls the trigger. And now, air ball again. All right, that's fine. Okay, Alden bringing down the ball. Alden penetrating. Yeah, there we go. Okay, over by Ryan. Okay, there you go. Yeah, that's what I call them. Ryan the bulldozer. Okay, Ludwig. Okay. All right, Ludwig looking for a teammate. Okay, down the tempo for John Saison. Give it to Mark. Mark looking his teammate. And And now they're bringing down the tempo, give it to Saison. And Lucio Marinas. And then there you go. All right. 24 seconds, 13 seconds violation. Is that one rep? No. Oh, that was good. Okay. No violation. All right, Ryan. Ryan is penetrating. There you go. That's true foul from Ariel. Ariel Prena. Foul. All right. 6 points advantage for Betterman. Now Ryan is on the line. Okay. It's the big first shot. No good. I'm sorry, Brother Ryan. Sabi nga ng ating mga Amerikano, better luck next time. Okay, Ryan, make second shots, made it. All right. Okay. All right. Now the DJ is trying to harass Los Marinas. Okay, give it to Ludwig. Okay, they're trying to bring down the tempo. Okay, give it to Saison. Saison. Looking to teammate. Give it to Los Marinas. Okay. Give it John Saison. Alright. Okay, they're looking for Los Marinas. No, that's a 24 30 seconds violation. Alright. There you go. Okay, Adam, bring down the ball. Okay, give it to Alvin. Alvin trying to penetrate. But okay, Saison is there. Adam make it. There you go. Okay, rebound by Luis Marinas. Okay. Alright, Saison. Saison, bring it to Saison. Okay, there you go. They're using their time. Okay, Worshipful Mark pulls the trigger. Okay, Ludwig, give it to Ariel. Ariel to Los Marinas. Looking for the cutter. Okay, give it to Ludwig. Alright, bring back. Okay, foul from Ryan. Okay, I think Ludwig is, oh no, I thought he's going to the line. Now, Ariel Prena, give it to Saison. Saison. Okay, Prena. Number 7. So we drew a foul, number 7 again. Alright. Okay, inbound by Betterman. Okay. Hindi ko makita. Dahil nandun yung referee. Alright. Okay, Los Marinas. Give it to Saison. Saison is looking for the cutter. But, and recovered by Mark Buranida. And Saison, rebound. Okay. Give it to Ludwig. Ludwig, no good. One more. There you go. I still. Okay, recovered by Lucio Marinas. Now they're trying to using their time, leverage in here. Okay, Saison. Okay, give it to Lucio Marinas. Lucio Marinas looking for. Lucio Marinas open. Okay, he made it. 82 points now. It's 7 points advantage by Betterman. Foul from Saison. Alvin. Okay, give it to Victor. Victor trying to penetrate. And no good. Rebound by Mark Morlida. Okay. 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 Okay, John Saison with brother Albert. Okay, using his body. Okay, Saison. Give it to Ariel Prena. Ariel pulls the trigger. Okay, again, that is brother of Ariel. Kinakapos na ng oxygen. They make it 3 air ball already. There you go. Okay, good. Easy basket for Alvin. Last 12 seconds. Oh, give up. All right. Okay. The referee called. The game is over. They gave up. All right. Congratulations, Betterman, and also with JGL, congratulations. You did a good job. Playing safe, and you did your best. Okay, our MVP for this morning, our very own, the Betterman, Ludwig Pan, MVP for the game. Congratulations, brother. All right. Okay, for the second game.
Stop recording.